Hello everybody, it's Brian Begley from enCloud9, and we're here to help you get the most out of Dynamics 365 for Microsoft. Today we're going to talk about managing personal settings for all your CRM users. So this is a video that'll especially be important for system administrators of your organization. Of course, if you like our videos, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you always get our latest video. So let's dive right in. The topic today is managing personal settings for all of your users in Dynamics 365 Sales. Now, if you're a system administrator, you probably know by now that every user has a group of personalization settings that they need to configure when they first use Dynamics 365. What happens a lot of times is, however, this gets forgotten about, and therefore, for example, we see all the time users who are using the wrong time zone. So they're seeing records in Universal Coordinated Time instead of Central Time, where I'm located. Or they might be just showing 50 records per page instead of 250, which makes searching for data slow. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that you as a system administrator can go into Dynamics 365 and change multiple users all at the same time. Now, hopefully you're all familiar with an application called XRMToolBox. Now I've called up XRMToolBox and I've connected into my development CRM instance, and I'm going to call up a tool called User Settings Utility. There's a tool called User Settings Utility. If you don't have it, you can always download it and add it into your XRMToolBox. I'm going to open this up now, and first thing I need to do is load all my users and settings. So it'll bring in all the users from my Dynamics environment, and I can see them here. I have a couple users, Brian Begley. I have a couple here, I have a couple here. If I click on Michael Begley's user record here, I'll see that he has 50 records per page. So I want to change that to 250. I want to change his time zone to Central Time. I may change his default currency to US dollars. I can make changes to the email settings. So for example, if I want to make sure all my users have the allow email on behalf of set to yes, so that I can use workflows that automatically send out emails to my users, I would definitely want to set that to yes. I might want to change how he tracks email. I might want to set him to track all email addresses. I might want to have no email addresses being tracked. I definitely want to turn off this control that allows me to create records automatically whenever an email is tracked. So I'll turn that off. And then I might make some other changes, for example, to error notifications. I want to turn off that don't even ask if an error pops up. I'm going to turn that off. So once I set all my changes for this user, I'm now going to say update the user settings. I'm going to click that button to send those to CRM, and the next time Michael logs into Dynamics, he's going to have these users, these settings changed to what I've created for him. Now let's say I also want to change settings for more than one user at the same time. I would just go into the list on my left-hand navigation, choose the two users, and then I would make the changes that I want to be set for these users. So let's set these two people's time zones to Central Time, and let's turn off or set a US dollar as the default currency. I can set their calendar to default to showing in a month and set their start time and end time. Or I can change how emails are tracked into Dynamics 365. Once I've made all my changes, I just click on the update user settings just like I did previously, and all these changes will be automatically pushed out to the users. They won't even know that you've done it. This is something I recommend every system administrator do when they create a new user in Dynamics 365. Do it before they start using Dynamics. It's going to make your life better and you're going to be happy you did it. So thanks for listening to our video today. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Once again, like or subscribe if you gained some value out of this, and we look forward to talking to you.